Hey guys! Are you want to buy best affordable tonneau covers? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best affordable tonneau covers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at DNA Motoring Soft Vinyl Roll-Up Tonneau Cover. The DNA Motoring Vinyl Soft Top Roll-Up Tonneau Cover is a smart upgrade for Ford F150 owners with a 5.5-foot fleet-side bed from model years 2004 to 2014. This model-specific design ensures a snug fit and seamless appearance. Installation is hassle-free, no drilling or cutting needed, thanks to its pre-assembled, plug-and-play system with included clamps and adjustable tension. Crafted from ultralight yet durable materials, it features Velcro-sealed edges and weather-resistant rubber seals to protect your cargo. The added coating resists scratches, while the anti-curl corners keep the cover looking sharp in all weather conditions. Elastic straps allow for secure storage when rolled up. Beyond aesthetics and protection, it offers real performance benefits. By improving aerodynamics, the cover can boost speed efficiency and potentially save fuel. It's a perfect blend of function, form, and fuel-saving practicality. Whether you're commuting or hauling gear, this DNA Motoring tonneau cover delivers dependable coverage, easy handling, and sleek style, all in one upgrade. Now our second product is Whalemotor Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. This soft roll-up tonneau cover is tailor-made to fit 2009 to 2024 Ram 1500 models with a 5.7-foot short bed and no ram box, including both classic and new body styles. Its precision fit ensures full coverage and a sleek, secure seal. Installation is quick and hassle-free thanks to a user-friendly clamping system, no tools or drilling required. The easy roll-up design provides fast access to your truck bed, making loading and unloading effortless. Crafted from high-quality, weather-resistant materials, it delivers durable protection against rain, dust, and sun, keeping your cargo safe in all conditions. Beyond protection, this cover improves fuel efficiency by reducing aerodynamic drag while driving, helping you save on fuel over time. Included in the package are 2 side rails, 6 mounting clamps, weather stripping, and the roll-up cover itself, backed by a 12-month warranty. If you're looking for a practical, easy-to-install, and budget-friendly upgrade that enhances both function and style, this tonneau cover is an excellent choice for Ram 1500 owners. Our third product is Tyger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. This roll-up tonneau cover is designed specifically for 2020 to 2025 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 2500/3500 HD models with a 6 feet 10 inches, 82-inch bed. Featuring a US patented design, it combines durability and convenience for everyday use. The cover is made from heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl, supported by built-in horizontal crossbars that provide structure when laid flat and roll up easily for full bed access. The frame includes aircraft-grade aluminum side rails and stainless steel clamps, ensuring a strong and rust-resistant mount. Velcro side seals and a latch lock system at the tailgate provide excellent protection, while an adjustable tension system keeps the cover tight and wrinkle-free in all weather. Installation is straightforward, with no drilling required for most setups, though over-the-bedrail bed liners may need small holes for clamp access. Everything needed, including instructions and hardware, is included. With a limited lifetime warranty for US customers, this tonneau cover offers long-lasting protection, security, and ease of use, making it a smart upgrade for heavy-duty truck owners. Now number 4, Autosaver 888 Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The Autosaver 88 Soft Roll-Up Tonneau Cover is a perfect fit for the 4 feet 6 inches bed of 2022 to 2025 Ford Maverick models. Designed for easy, drill-free installation, it comes with all necessary hardware and clear instructions, allowing for quick setup. Simply roll the cover up to the bulkhead for full bed access, ideal for loading or unloading cargo without hassle. Built with durability in mind, the cover features a double-layer PVC surface that resists tearing and abrasion, reinforced by a sturdy aluminum frame and stainless steel clamps. Arched crossbars are strategically designed to direct water runoff, preventing pooling and reducing the risk of water damage from excess weight. The integrated spring latch and adjustable tension system ensure a tight, wrinkle-free seal in any weather. This not only enhances the truck's look but also offers dependable protection for your gear against rain, snow, and debris. If you're seeking a rugged, water-repellent, and user-friendly tonneau cover for your Ford Maverick, the Autosaver 88 delivers quality, convenience, and long-term value. And our last choice is Yitamotor Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. This soft roll-up tonneau cover is precisely designed to fit the 5 feet 9 inches bed of 2019 to 2025 Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 new body-style models, excluding Multi-Flex tailgate and Carbon Pro bed. It arrives in 100% factory brand packaging, ensuring quality and protection right out of the box. Installation is a breeze, no tools or drilling required. Upgraded clamps with adjustable holes allow for setup in under 20 minutes, making it perfect for truck owners who want a quick and hassle-free solution. The user-friendly design also allows for easy disassembly when needed. Safety is a top priority, with a secure latch lock system, adjustable tension on the side rails, and heavy-duty clamps and straps to keep the cover firmly in place during travel. Constructed with double-layer PVC and a solid alloy frame, it delivers long-lasting durability and resistance to tears and wear. Built for all-season protection, this cover resists water, high temperatures, and harsh conditions, offering a dependable shield for your cargo wherever you go. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.